Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Pokemon TCG Pocket crashing. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your app store and then tap on the search bar, and once you are here, what you need to do is type in Pokemon TCG Pocket, and once it loads, tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Pokemon TCG app, and once you find it, all you gotta do is just simply tap on the app, and then you'll find two options, that is offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and now what this does is it resets the app, like clearing all the bugs and glitches which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is restart and try again, and that will fix your issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.